Hello YouTube. It's a video about how to take over the world using the greatest military force ever. You gotta conquer air, water, weather, space, ground, underground, and plants and biological drugs. So air, to take over the air you need greenhouse gases, jets, intercontinental ballistic missiles, spy planes, and radar and electromagnetic spectrum using the X-rays, gamma rays, infrared rays. Then the water, you need submarines, data transmission, aircraft carriers, and chemicals and bacteria can spoil the water you drink. Weather is a man-made. There are man-made disasters like hurricanes and others caused by the electromagnetic spectrum, gases and elements in the atmosphere, and the temperature in the water also affects hurricanes and stuff. Space, you have to explore and discover new energies in space. You need a space station that carries nuclear warheads and the best satellites and technology. The ground is the biggest force, well, I'll start with underground. Like there's waterways underground, so you need subs that go underground and plant mines and underground nuclear detonation to cause earthquakes, and storage and shipment, trains, tanks, everything stored underground, and it's like the new mode of transport and storage. Ground is the same thing, it's tanks, trains, robots that carry plasmic weapons and stuff like that. And the one robot that's stored underground can kill 1,200 humans. Underground, you need people are vital to the infrastructure. We need a public that stays informed, is active in the community, and people to gather intelligence. Regulate the food and drugs, which is going to be by far the hardest thing to do, because AIDS was spread it was put in heroin and genetically altered in meth and stuff, and people went and shot it up, and then they injected the AIDS virus. And drugs are illegal, but still the fucking FBI fucking regulates that shit, sells it. The triple C's of technology are communications. The cars put out the worst emissions, and they will systematically blow up by a gasoline additive and a Y2K bomb. Cell phones will cause cancer and just detonate shit left and right. Computers will cause viruses and shit, the new mouse, whatever. So new energy sources must be developed, and absolute understanding of technology, preferably pursued in school, teaching kids how to build iPods and phones and radios, and teach the technology of time, like during history, what technologies people have in what cultures, and the plant, we need to take over the plants and such, because there's diseases, starvation, overdoses, drugs, genetically mutated carcinogens that spread. Cancer by pollen was a new threat. Greenhouse gases, of course, and non-renewable resources. So I hope you know how to take over the world. Remember, I don't know. Don't use this to take over the world. No, this will be used to take over the world, and it's already gonna happen. God says we need all this stuff. So, you know, it's gonna happen. Whoever develops it first, you know, will take over the world. So peace, have fun.